Welcome back, friends. In the second episode of our 4-part series, we will be showing you how to graph 2 points and how to find the slope of 2 points.
But first, really important, if you're still not sure how an axis works on the graph or where x and y appear in a point, please go watch the first video in the series before coming back here. Don't worry, we're not going anywhere.
All right, friends, have your pencils and paper ready. Whatever, Walt. Okay, fine. Get whatever it is that you use to take notes, and let's go. Graphing points is easy. Recall from our last video that the x value gives the left to right movement and the y value gives the up and down movement. Start at the origin, which is drawn as a big black dot on the graph. To graph 2, -3, take note that x is +2 and y is -3. So move 2 to the right and 3 down from the origin. That's all there is to it. Let's do another example. -3, 4. X is -3, so we go left 3, and y is +4, so up 4. We move left 3 and then up 4 from the origin to graph the point. Simple. Let's take a look at calculating the slope of 2 points. The formula for slope is m is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. M is the variable that represents slope. When you have 2 points, simply mark one point with x1 and y1, and the other with x2 and y2. Walter has a neato tip for you that'll help you label points easily and painlessly. Good stuff. You adorable little oceanic mammal. Let's use Walt's tip and label 4, 3 as x1 and y1. We will then label -2, 15 as x2 and y2. Following our formula, we will write out 15 minus 3 over -2 minus 4. That gives us 12 over -6, which simplifies to -2. Be advised, friends, when calculating slope, you will be adding and subtracting negative numbers. If you're not familiar with that yet, please check out our tutorial on that subject right now. Okay, let's do one more example. In this one, let's pick 1, -2 to be our first point. Mark that with x1 and y1. Then 3, 5 will be our point that we mark with x2 and y2. 5 minus -2 over 3 minus 1. Our slope becomes 7 over 2. All right, friends, time for you to practice some examples. If you get most of the problems correct, you're ready to move on to finding slope and y-intercept on a graph. If not, just practice a few more problems. You'll get the hang of it. Walter believes in you.
Thank you so much for making it to the end of this video. Keep practicing and we'll see you in the next tutorial.
The next one is going to be great, friends. We will be going over finding the y-intercept and slope on the graph. Until then, friends,
Let's keep mathing.